Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your real name on your Xbox One. This is very easy. Right here is where I'm able to edit my name. So it says Timble Slice right here. I can press edit and then just change my name. Now it's really easy to get to this setting. Go and press the Xbox button. You can go back to home screen if you want, but tab on over to your profile, then go to settings, then going down to account, and then go to the right, go to privacy and online safety right here. Type in your passkey if you got one. Then let's go to Xbox privacy, then go to view details and customize. Now let's go to profile right here, then go to the right and go to how you look. Your name is from your Microsoft account and is used to identify you across a broad range of Microsoft products and services. So Timble Slice is my name right here. We can go to edit name right here and type in something. So you'll have your first name first and then your last name last. So just type this in and then type in your last name. You should be good to go. Then you have the option for real name. Decide who can see your real name right here. You can choose friends, everyone, or you can block everyone, or you can choose specific friends who can see your real name. Then you can share your real name with friends of friends. So I currently have that blocked, or otherwise you can go to allow right here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.